going on? Today's wild day. Wild day. Just getting everything up and going. Whew. Oh, oh boy. What up? What up? Whew. Let's see what we got going on here. I just missed getting filled. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, let's see if it's going to drop just a little bit more. I'm almost at another payout. Yo, what up, Toxic? Yo, I came on earlier today. I came on early. Hopefully, there's everybody on, but I know it leads into lunchtime, so I don't know who's going to be around. Today has, so I just passed a 250K right here. Just passed my 250K eval, so I'll have a 250K funded account tomorrow. And that's the last of my. Oh, I have one last eval. I got this eval to play the jobs report this morning, and the jobs report was flat. I was hoping to pass the 150 in one trade on the jobs report, and it didn't really go anywhere. And then when I had to drive my kids, it shot up after. So I'm stuck with this one last eval, which I'm trying to slam it at some point today. I got to get out of here early today. That's why I'm streaming early. I'm going to have to leave here probably around 1:30, 2 o'clock. So I just figured I'd come on for a bit, hang out for a couple hours, make some good trades. And I'm also, so on my Rhythmic account, man, I'm $107 away from another payout, and I'll be able to request $4,000 on July 1st. I'm right there. Right there, right there. Today price action is crazy, but I forgot to remove my personal loss limit of 100, so I got hit pretty quick in my new eval and lockdown. Ugh, that's rough. I don't even know where you set the lockout stuff. The lockout sounds good. I just don't know where you do it. The other eval I had was like 200 away from hitting my max drawdown limit, but I'm up 12. Oh, inside Top Step X. I think I saw that. I'll be honest with you, the daily loss limit is fine with me. That's settings and risk. If I had a funded account, I would probably do it. Um, I just don't have a I don't have a funded in Top Step X. Oh man. Anybody get that code working at a Top Step, by the way? I tried to get it working for a bunch of people, but I think we're gonna come back down. I think this is gonna be the drop, and hopefully we get filled here and then bounce on back. I got a bunch of orders here. Here, you're gonna break this to the downside. Hopefully we just sweep the lows. They sweep everybody's stop loss out, and then we get brought right back up. It's what I'm hoping for. Come on. What are we doing? Man, yesterday at the end of the day, I don't know if you stayed to the end toxic, but we caught literally the top before it dumped 100 points. That was a wild, wild dump. Literally, I caught the top, the tippy top on the stream at the end. I should have made a video about it. Oh, come on. I don't think I was here. Yeah, because you're like 8 hours ahead, right? I think it's like 7 o'clock at night by you. Come on, this wants to give it up. Let me get in. make some money here. Gotta. I thought you said you were. I thought you said you were in not Sweden. I thought you were Northern Europe. I didn't know you were in India. Now, do a lot of people over in India trade prop firms like you're doing? Is it like a common thing? Let's get this ripping. Here we go. Bring it on down. Nice little scalp there, just kind of adding. I want the big trade is we come back down. Oh, people don't even know about it. That's interesting. That's real interesting. Kind of just looks bear flaggy. The only reason I'm on prop firms is my government doesn't allow people to trade on U.S. futures and options. That's interesting. I wonder why. Is that like China, how they want to keep the money in their own country? Come on, we're gonna reject here again? No. Come on, we need. Probably because we have a lot of gamblers like me. I like this on the. I like this on the 5 minute. Starting to curl up here. We've wicked. The ultimate would be to come back down here. I just don't know if we're gonna get it. Oh, I'm just getting eaten alive a little bit. Prior. Come on. Oh, they took me out at the very, very bottom. Are you kidding me? They bottom ticked my order and then brought it all the way back up to green. They only grabbed one though. Jeez. Come on. I got this 250 over. That's the last of. I did the math wrong. I was over 265,000 and I was still trading to get over 266,000. I have no idea why. No idea why. I just kept on trading it. Ah, here we go. Do you hear me better? I just moved my mic over. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Come on. Come on down. I want to see a drop a do. I want to see the dump dump. I want to get in at the bottom. Your voice was good for the start, but no one's in the chat except me. They're watching, but no one's chatting. Yeah, a bunch of people are watching. Hey, you guys that are watching, comment in the chat. Let's see who's here. Say what's up. We're just kind of consolidating right here. But yeah, any new people in the chat? What up? What up? Welcome. We're just man, my options account was freaking rocking this morning. I was up like $500 out the gate. And since then, Bitcoin, I bought some BITX and some BITO, and 300 of that 500 is gone. I rocked Adobe right out of the gate if I had it. If you guys trade options at all, that's what I'm in. I sold Adobe out the gate. Oh, come on. This is just chop-a-lopping. Seems like we can't get over the 34, which is right here. And then we're just kind of bear flagging. Kind of bear flagging. Let's go. Take the shot. Let's go. Let's get it down. Push it. Like I said, I like it to the upside on the 5. I want it to sell off just a little bit here. I don't know if we're going to get the sell-off that I want. Oh, it's bumping his head. Come on. Oh, this is flipping it. Dump it for me. Come on down. Come on. Push it back into like 15s. Push it down. Oh, geez, they just bought that right back up. They bought it right back up in 2 seconds. Come on. Come on, guy. Uh-oh. This looks like it can get jiggy to the upside. My big thing right now that I really like it to the upside, but see how it can't get over the 9 and the 34 are right there. That's why I kind of took it to the short side. Boom, baby. Took one off. Took another off. Hope you guys just banked cash. Cash money. That was a nice trade for anybody that followed. Took 2 contracts, 150 on one and 95 on the other. So a little over $200. That was a nice little trade. I do think we're going to push to the upside though. Hold on.
Come here, I want to show you something.
2 minutes.
Daddy, now. I'm hungry. I can't reach it.
Yo, what up, Ivan? Yo, I'll be back in 2 seconds. I gotta go grab something in the pantry. I have to do this, but whoa, I got kids home today. What did we do? 10 up, 10 down. Yeah. Seems like he's gonna rip up. It's just chopping. I really want it to come down. Kind of just think we could I have all these freaking orders down here. I don't know if I'm gonna get filled. Every time we get down here, they just wick it and then they bring it right back up. Just like that. It's crazy. And that's why I don't know if we're gonna see where I want, because every time it gets pushed, they every time it gets pushed, they buy it. You need some volume to get it pushed down. And here we go. Here we go. Oh, come on, come on. We're almost right there. You'll start seeing as my fills come up, they'll start lighting all this up. I'll take a quick, see if I can get a scalp. This is the take profit trader account. I've been saying I've been having trouble, but I'm up 215 today in it. I just had trouble, like, kind of just making the trades, I guess. My trades in take profit trader, I've been so worried about losing the account that I've been too cautious on trades and not really playing my plan. So I'm just, we're going to rip this. If it comes down, this is going to be really good or really bad. But I'm kind of liking it. See if I can get back in. Jeez, come on. Come on, we're right there. Push it. Just one last push to the downside. One last push. And we're oversold. This is actually looking really good. Come on. I just jumped in. I'm going to. Stop zone. Come on. We are like, I'm just going to start laying in with some of these. I couldn't wait. I jumped the gun. I jumped it. I jumped it because I don't know if we're going to get down there and didn't want to miss out on everything. So I just kind of jumped it with my eval. Come on. I have so many orders down there. I'll take that scalp. Got my orders back. This account's going green on it. Got 15. I'll sell 1, 2, 3 on a pop. Bring it on up. Bring it on up. Boom. 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 Push it. 1. Oh, come on. 2. Are you not going to fill that? You're not. Come on. You're not going to play me like that. Right there. Hit it. Hit it. Oh. Hit it. Boom. That was pretty solid. And you guys watch and take that? Anybody? I just realized I'm in here too. Took it to the bank. I actually want to get this account over today. Is kind of my my thought process. I can't believe they didn't fill me on any of my other they didn't fill me on any of my other orders. It just missed it. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I could see us maybe dropping down to 81 now. You know, it wouldn't surprise me to go to the 200 on the 5. Let me change this to the Q. See what's popping. Locking over here. Orb bottom is actually 930. Orb bottom is 990. So 95 to 90 is pretty good. Top step X. Limit buy. Limit buy. Just setting my orders up. You guys can see what I'm doing. Stop sell. Stop sell. Put 2 in there. Let's go. Oh man, this is just some chop. Chop it, chop. I'm gonna play this one just a tad bit different. What I say we had 85. I'm gonna buy 1 here, 1 there. Just put my orders in, guys, because I'm getting ready to freaking rock. Oh, baby, we in. That's what I was talking about. Jeez. Hold on 1 second. I'm just letting it ride. So,
How are ya?
looking for you. Whoa, what do we got? What do we got? Did I miss? Come on. Yeah, I mean, that was what we were talking about, was bouncing off the. Oh, they're just pushing this. Oh man, I got freaking. We took a hit. We took a little bit of a hit here. I'm just thinking what I want to do. Brutal dump. I'm trying to think what accounts were affected. Like I lost this. This is an eval. That I don't really give a shit about. I definitely took like $200 hits in a lot of accounts because I was playing the bounce. But you know, it is what it is. I mean, you have to take shots at the. You know, if you don't take shots, you'll never make any money. So I'm just trying to think what I want to do, as in, um, if I think this is the bottom or not. I don't think this is going to be the bottom, personally. I think we're going to come right kind of up and then just see a massive dump to the downside. Just feels like it wants to keep selling off. I'm just going to scalp it a little bit, get some of the money back. But yeah, this kind of seems like we're not done. 1880 was Asian low. I'm looking for 1920-ish is what I'm kind of looking for here. That to me would be we get 1920-ish. I'm really liking that. What is that, another 40 points? I mean, we could definitely get 40 points here. What's so stupid is I don't even know why I really took that trade. I mean, it's a straight up bear flag, and when that breaks, I mean, I was even in it short a bunch of different times. I should have just stayed. It was real stupid by me as I reflect on the trade. Obviously, afterwards, it's easy to say, but yeah, that was stupid. The good news is I'm done with these evals, and we're just trading. We're going straight funded now. Look at this. Damn, I took a freaking bath in that account. I'm gonna have to. Can I adjust this? No. Just do 2 limit buys. I might just let that ride, to be honest with you. Come on, we need to keep going down here. I want to get my entry. Where was it? 20. At least that funded account's up big. I got some funded accounts up. Some I don't. All right. I'm kind of copy trading, but let's let this dump some more here. That was a pretty steep dump though, so I don't know if we're gonna go straight down. Like, I just feel like through the day we're gonna make our way down. Oh man, that was the low right there. We basically just wick tested the news low today. If you look, this was the low today, the news, and that's exactly where we just hit. It's crazy how that happens. Like literally right there. Jeez. 20-point bounce off of that. Oh. Don't miss that. I mean, this is what it is. We got to get rocking here, though. We need some down. We need to rip it. See, now we're kind of in the middle of the zone here, so I'm not really like, I'm not really like I need to jump into something. Oh, baby. Watching that dump was like that monkey meme where he's like, oh, no. Oh, jeez. I'm going to take a short right here. What is that, 90, 93? $93. I'll take actually, right here, we'll see if we get up there. I don't even know if we're going to get up there. Oh, how are you guys doing today? What are you guys in? Anybody crushing it today? I will say that dump hurt a small amount over a lot of my accounts, but I'm definitely up in the one account that I really care about, and that will get me another $2,000 payout on the. If it goes 83, I'll short 5 micro. I think it's going to pop back up right here. You'll probably get it. Here you go. Well, you just got 83. Did you get filled? Here we go. Come on. Come on. Push it, baby. Just push a couple more points. You chickened out? Why? Everybody wants to short when it goes up, but when it looks like, yeah, you get worried. Come here. Come here. I'll short this thing. Come on up. Come on up. One last push is all I need. Just whoop. Push it. Just push it up just a little bit. Get me filled, and then just reel it back in. I can't believe that dump happened. That was ridiculous. I wish I shorted it. It was definitely bear flaggy. It definitely it couldn't get over the 34, as you could see this green line, and it was really primed to just drop. I thought it would drop to about 94. I didn't think it was going to go all the way down to 55. Come on. Oh, are you not going to give it to me on the short? Dude, you'd be up 10 points, Toxic. You'd be up 10 right now. You would be up. All right, real quick. I'm trying to think. Should I get a 50K eval and just smash it, or a 150K eval and smash it? What do we want to do here? 50? 50 I'll probably get over. 150 is going to be a little rough. What do you think I should do? Just smash a 50K and get another funded account? I'm going to do it right on Apex right here for you guys to watch. I'm going to light it up. Let's see what happens. You know what I'm saying? You want to go 50? All right, let's go 50. I'm gonna pass this 50. Let's see. We're gonna pass this and get another funded account. If I pass this funded account, I will be trading 3 contracts at a time and just go large. Let me get the account. We're gonna light it up. I just feel like smashing an account hard. I don't want to blow up a funded account, but jeez, this thing. Just bring it down already. Like, just bring it all the way down to the 20s. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, they're setting it up. I'm going to pass this account in 2 seconds in front of you guys. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see what we got. We're going to choose. I might even do a magic 8-ball trade. Let's bring the magic 8-ball. Oh, why is this so slow? Let's go. Are we going to hit 920? As I see it, I think we're going to get our 920 hit, guys. Come on. Come on. All right, here we go. New 50K account. Here we go. Let's see if they fill us. If they fill us, that is the play. Come on. For the stream. Let's get it rolling. Just get it filled. Let's get some action up in this place, you know? Come on. That's the trade. I'm not a fan of this double bottom I see right here. But I think we're going to kind of bear flag it and then dump. Come on. Oh, this is getting freaking tedious. Let's go. Give it a little push. Push it. Push it. Are we not doing this? What are we doing here, guys? Let's push it up. Oh my God. Come on. Dude, they need to allow us to play some music up in this place. You know what I'm saying? Yo, anybody new on here? Comment. Let's see who's in here. Who's in the stream? Let's see what you guys are doing. I usually come on in the afternoon. This is the first time I'm here so early. Yo, TCG Andy, what up? Yo, this is the first time I'm on early today. Future Millionaire is back again. What's up? I'm just trying to light this up here. Are you not gonna freaking feel that? Come on. Oh. Dude, this is how my day is going. This is exactly how my day. You're long 1 micro. Where'd you get in at? The double bottom, I'm guessing, up here, down here, somewhere around here, 50s, 60s. Oh, 68. Okay. I am contemplating just jumping in. Oh my God. I can't believe they're not going to fill us, guys. Don't do this to me. Pop it. I can't chase it down here. I mean, that's 10 points away. 10 points at 5 contracts, $1,000. We're going to need to pump this up 2 seconds here. Oh. It does look good to the downside. I just am looking for one more pop. I don't like that it looks like we're rolling and we're not going to get filled. Woo, are we going to get filled? Are they going to turn this around for us? All right, come on. Here we go. I'm going to jump the gun here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. We're in, guys. We're in. I had to go back to single contract trades. Blew 5 accounts. Wow. How'd you blow 5? You just blew just copy trading just all at once? That's my biggest problem about copy trading is it's so easy to just blow it all. It really is just so easy to just blow 5 accounts. I mean, because really you blew 1 account, but it counted 5 times. You know what I'm saying? It's very risky. That's why, like, everyone asks, like, oh, why don't you do all your funded accounts in a big copy trade? Because I don't want to blow all my accounts. I was up and then I tried to even down and it went past my contract numbers available. Oh. Sounds awful. All right, well, hit where we were initially trying to get in here. So let's see what happens. And kept dropping, yeah. So I let it ride until I hit my bot. Yeah, dude, copy trading is rough. I don't like it because you can just, say it's $40 for an account. Like that makes it $200 with 5, and it's great if you pass. But like if you fail, I mean, you're just demolishing accounts, demolishing. And that's what kind of worries me is I don't want to just lose a ton of accounts. Come on, roll it. Give it to us. Give it to us on the stream. Come on. I want to see like 62 here. There we go. No. Don't do it to me. Bring it down. Oh, no. No. Don't. That was a huge fake out. I'm playing the upswing. Yeah, it's looking good to the upside. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's not. But I told you I was going to ride or die on this account, so we're going to see where this account takes us. I honestly think we can come all the way back up to the 200. At least 15 points up from here. What's going on, people on the stream? I see a bunch of new people joining. What's going on? Feel free to comment. Let's see who's on. I'm starting to like it better to the upside, but I'm already stuck. And I said I'd go pick a direction and I'd stay. So we're ride or die. Back to high of day. Jeez, I mean, it's a lot of points. That's a lot of points up from here. I would like to see, 15 up from here. Hello, Neo. What's up, man? What up? What up? Corey's in the building. I'm basically having a rough day, so I grabbed the 50K account, went all in, and not all in, grabbed 5, and I'm just letting it ride until I see a real setup. That's what's going on. That's how my day is. Yo, the Maritimer, what's up? Yo, guys, I came on early today because I'm gonna have to jump off at like 1:30. So I just came on to hang out for a bit, do what I normally do, but just on the stream. But yeah, I'm not going to be around later on in the day. I got to go golf. So I'll be leaving you guys. Let me see. I got to be there at 3:30. Half hour to get there. It's 3 o'clock. Probably got to grab some food. I'm probably going to get off here around like 1:30, 2 o'clock. Come on. Yeah, all I know is the 8-ball told us that we were going to see 920. So if I lose this trade, I am going to have to email the 8-ball company that we shook on the stream and see what's going on. Do you ever leave with a single contract with a stop and just let it run and come back later? My degenerate ass has done that a lot. I actually did that last night. I do it quite often. I'll usually grab an account like an eval, or I'll grab like, let me see, like not this funded account. I have a funded account that's like kind of beaten up pretty good. Maybe I'll grab like that funded account, and I'll just leave the order here for the pivot point bounce. And I'll just leave it. And if I hit it, I hit it. So yeah, I've done it quite often. Another 1,500 day and pass the top step eval. Now to be smart and make money. 4 evals to get funded. Dude, I passed the 250K today also. I want to get funded on Top Step so bad, you have no idea. Top Step is like, it's on my list. Oh, I didn't even know I was in a trade. Oh, I didn't even know I was in a trade in Top Step. Good thing I just opened this up. I might just take this. There's $100. I need to start slamming this account a little bit better. See, this is what I don't like about our short is as soon as you break trend and you start bringing it down, they bring it right back up. Just something that I'm watching that I don't really like. You know, I want to see continuation. I want to see, you know, candle, candle, candle. I want to see the push. And we're not really getting the push. We're just getting kind of like these quick algo dips, which is leading to believe that we're going to consolidate here and then push up. You know, like we dip one more time, I might like this to the up. Man, I always struggle with 250Ks. Lunchtime crowd. Yeah. Yo, I don't like 250s at all, to be honest with you. I hate 250s. What happened was Apex rebuild me overnight, and I didn't know that the rebuild was going to happen, so I had the account. And I was like, whatever, I'll just trade it, and we'll see what happens. What's my handicap with golf? I don't know how to do the handicap. So when I play for work and I play like a lot, I'll usually hit somewhere between 86 and 91, 92. You know, if I'm hot, 86. If I'm not feeling it great, probably like a 92, sometimes even 93. You know, which people don't realize is really freaking good. Oh, geez. I'm in this with a PA account? What PA account? Oh boy, I just caught this. I just caught the top of that with that account. What is? Didn't even know I had these orders in. Woo! 150. Yeah, I know some people I shoot with though, like they're consistent, like low 80s consistently. Like, you know, we're not looking for their ball in the rough. You know, when I don't go for work and I'm just there messing around with like my brothers, like where I'm going today, you know, I'll probably shoot like a 95. Like today's like 95 because I'm probably going to drink a bunch of beers and noons and whatever else everybody brings. So I'm probably going to be somewhere around 95-ish. you know, I'll play really good the first 9 and then it'll just deteriorate as I go. Come on. I'm just seeing if we get the rejection rate. That's the 21 on the 5. Yeah, I mean, it was looking good to the upside. I was talking about that. When we got this red candle here, we should have seen a continuation like I was talking about. And the fact that I said that we did not see a continuation down led me to believe that we were going to go for another leg up. Yep. I'm just seeing if we get the get a little rejection here back to like 2,000, 20,000, but I don't know if we are. Come on. Yeah, see. I just had $50. I would have been more than happy with that. Come on. I literally just had $50 and I'm going to get stopped out. Unbelievable. We had it. I had the scalp all set up. Now we're out. So stupid. I was actually long in my freaking funded account and sold out literally for like a 1 point gain because of this candle. I sold out and I was like, oh, I'm not getting back in. Oh, so stupid. Stupid, stupid. I gotta do a bunch of crap. Ah, it sucks. Yeah, today hasn't been the best of trading days, I would say. I'm you know, I'm not. It is what it is. I'm literally my biggest goal is to get this one account another $125, and I can request 4K from Apex on the first. Outside of that, I'm just kind of, you know, just really, I'm going to be building these accounts for a while. Like, you know, like this account's not going to get paid the 1st through the 5th, so you might as well just build it. So it's less to worry about. Less to worry about. Just freaking just keep trading, you know. See, I can't go long up here. Like, we're just up a ton. Like, actually, I could probably go long up here. If you look, let me see what's going on. Bring me back down to 20,000, and I'll probably get long. I'll say is probably 20,000 is a good level to. Come on, let's bring it back down. 20,000. I don't even know if we're going to get down there. The more curious question, with a 50K account, are you trading with minis? In my funded account, one mini. One mini, and I got like a 10 to 12 point stop loss. So the worst I can lose is like $240 per trade. You do not want to take a massive loss in a funded account. It's rough. How do you manage take profit trader trailing drawdown? I don't. I watch it right here. You know, I have $600 left. It's one of those things that you have to be keeping your eye on if you're having not a great day. And then once you get close enough, just stop for the day. RH. That's what I'm saying. If a big tech tries to rebound the red days, I'll get back to high a day. Yeah. The man, I've taken a few pointers from your approach to account management from earlier this week. Thanks. Yeah, man. Listen, you got to manage your money. So when does trailing drawdown count? As soon as the day starts. As soon as the day starts. You always have to know where your trailing drawdown is because that's where the account goes boom. So, you know, you want to always know what's going on, and you just kind of click up here and you can see. I think the daily loss limit's at $1,100. So I have enough to take a couple trades here and not win. But at some point, you know, I'm going to have to take a decent shot because my account level is getting low. And once it gets to like 48,500, where I only have like 1,000 left, I'm taking a good size shot. I'm probably taking a 2 or 3 contract shot to either get it up or the account's gone. Because this is not a funded account. It's just a eval. I don't think we're going to get that pullback. That's crazy. It hasn't even really consolidated. Like that was like nothing. That was like a 3-minute consolidation. I think this is the most number of ticks I've ever gotten to. Too bad it's just one contract. Hey man, as long as you keep following whatever you're doing, you'll keep getting the ticks, and that's all that matters, right? I mean, you're kind of figuring out a proof of concept at this point. You're not going all in, or you know, if you're playing small, you're still trying to figure things out. So you just look at the tick number, not the P&L. Oh, geez. I wish I was on mini. It's micro. Hey, you know what? I always tell people to start off with micros because you got to prove your system works. Whatever you look at works. And it doesn't matter. Your P&L shouldn't matter in the beginning. All that should matter is how many ticks positive you are. And then from there, you just add size. So if my trade goes plus 400 and then drops to plus 200 and I close at plus 200, not in a take profit trader. Take profit trader, it works by the end of the day. End of day. You know, if you did that in Apex, yes, your drawdown would be minus 200. And that's why yes. And only because you brought up take profit trader, they're running 40% off, no activation fee. You just used coupon code Cove Trader. It's scrolling at the bottom of the screen. Yeah, save yourself some money. But that's the one plus about take profit trader is the main drawdown is based on the end of the day, and then you're allowed to lose. I'm not trading a funded account in take profit trader. I'm trading a eval. So yeah. All my funded accounts are in Apex that you're looking at. This is Apex. See, it says Apex, and PA means it's funded. So these are all funded. And when you go to take profit trader, this is just an eval. So I'm just giving you what I know. I've never been funded by take profit trader. So yeah, if you know, definitely tell everybody what the deal is. I thought that's the rules. Once funded, it's trailing drawdown. Oh, is it $2,000? I'm guessing because that's the daily on the evals. Is it a trailing 2,000? I'm actually bringing it up. The big reason I want to get funded with them is you can get your money out on day one. Uh, hmm. Yeah. So pro accounts, the drawdown says intraday on pro and pro plus. So yeah, you're right on that. End of day is on the evals. There's no consistency rule on the pro, consistency rule on the test account. There's a buffer requirement on the pro. Says there's no max withdrawal, but I heard there was a $10,000 max withdrawal on the pro account. That's I don't know if you hit that, but I think somebody said they got $10,000. That was the max. I want to say it was that guy Nagy that did it in here. That's right, very good payoff, but trailing drawdown is not easy to maintain. All these rules are built to fail. I used to trade in E-Trade futures. I liked it, and I just was giving this kind of a shot. Yeah, withdrawal sounded Midwestern. Withdrawal. Yeah. This is looking interesting. This isn't really like my type of trade setup, but you can see we're holding the 9, we're consolidating, and might even push higher here. Just some ribbon for your Canadian neighbor. Dude. Oh my God. Yeah. All good, all good. It's funny when I go down to Florida, I give them the old morning as I'm out for a jog in the morning. All the people are out walking their dog before it gets too hot. Just like, morning. So have you gotten a payout, RH, with Take Profit yet? I am super interested in Take Profit Trader. That and Top Step, I'm super interested in. I've only been funded and paid by Apex. I've been funded by Bullnox. I didn't get a payout though. Stupidity hit me really hard in Bullnox one day, and I lost my 3 funded accounts. Oh yeah, it was one of those on tilt days, boys. You know exactly what I'm talking about. And I crushed 3 Bullnox accounts. This is the peak. I took a one contract shot here for a scalp. Just one. Let's see what happens. I'm just looking for a couple shekels. I'm looking for beer money right now. There we go, 60 bucks. I'm just trying to dig out of these like little $200 losses through the accounts. I'm on Top Step funded. We'll be getting Take Profit Trader shortly. Yeah, those two are two ones I'm trying for. I have Apex. Actually, some more Apex money hit my account today, and I'm going to withdraw at least 2,000 from Apex on when's the first? On Monday. I'm hoping to get this one last account over and request $4 grand. I'm right there. Just literally just salivating, waiting to hit the button to. They paid me. I just got paid $4 grand from them. Last pay period, I requested $4,000 and I got it. I think there's a lot of misinformation going around about Apex, to be honest. I don't want to say all those people are wrong, but I'm just saying that if you trade within their rules, they pay you. They paid me. I know one of my friends got paid and then he got denied, but when he got denied, he blatantly told me he DCA'd. So it wasn't like, he expected it. Once they started implementing that rule, he kind of knew it was coming. What sucks for him is, yeah, I mean, he had it and just kind of smoked it. Then he ended up losing the account. But yeah, I got paid, and listen, they're all. I don't know anybody that's gotten like their account smoked. If they don't pay you, you just trade to the next payout window, and then you basically get paid. That's what I've been told. But I kind of like Top Step. You get paid in 5 days, and Take Profit Trader, you can get paid day one. So, listen, there's so many firms out there. Bullnox is pretty good. Bullnox pays you just got to trade for 10 days, and you could DCA in Bullnox. I don't know if you've ever tried them. But there's a whole lot. Anyone, just because we're talking about anyone looking for a, what do you call it? Take Profit Trader account, no activation fee, 40% off. Oh man. Top Step is given. Do you start Take Profit with Combine? Yes, you do. You have an eval. So if you're looking at my screen, this is the eval. You basically have the eval. What did I just put that at? 216? So yeah, so basically you start at this eval. This is it. You have a daily loss limit of $1,100 that you can't hit. If you hit $1,100, it's done. I heard there's one out there that doesn't have an eval. Fast track trading, or axe trading is another one. Obviously it's more expensive. I don't know anyone that's been paid by Fast Track. Fast Track goes straight to eval, straight to funded. But I can't sit here and tell you to go use somebody that I've never used before and in hopes they pay you. You know what I mean? Like, I'm only telling you companies that I've used before, that I've gotten paid by, or I know people have gotten paid by. And that's why I kind of only tell people on Take Profit Trader, Top Step, Apex, and Bullnox. How many contracts on 50K for? I only do one. Just one. I'm just trying to build the account up. For whatever reason, I have a mental block when it comes to Take Profit Trader account. I can't get it going. Why, I'm getting other accounts over I'm getting payouts in my take profit trader account. I just can't get going. I think this is going to come down a little bit, but yeah, I don't know what the deal is. I just the account just, I mean, max. Oh, I'll tell you right now. I think it's 6 contracts. Yeah, it's 6 contracts you could buy, but you need to trade 5 days, and you can't do more than 1,500 in a day. So, you know, they have the rule. Well, you can't do more than 50%. So if you do a little bit more than 1,500, you just need a little bit more the following days to pass. That's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. We can't get over this. Watch, now that I took a shot, we'll get over it. We're just getting stuffed every time. Now we'll do it though. Oh, this is how my day is going. This is my day in a nutshell. Everything I've done today has been gone the other way. Every time. No, I've taken a payoff from Apex. Apex, literally, I had them, their money, some of their money hit today. This thing looks like it's going to rip. Bring me up to the promised land. One time. Come on. Every time it's going to rip. I really want to see it back down at 15 and 16. That's really where I want to see it. See, this is the problem with not copy trading, is I got to like go in these freaking accounts and kind of do it one by one. Come on, just drop it. Probably hit this like cluster, and then we'll probably bounce. I'm not trading that one. Just gearing up for this drop if we get it. Oh, man, come on. It looks primed to just kind of come back a little bit. I will say it's definitely starting to consolidate, where you're probably going to get a nice move up. Trying to work on scaling the trying to work on scaling into contracts at 4 now. So you can scale. You can't DCA. So if you're in a position and then you start going down and you start adding, you can only add one time. Just so you are aware. Otherwise, they'll call it DCA only on Top Step, not only on Apex. You can do whatever you want on Top Step and take profit trader. Just want you to be aware of of the rules before you don't get a payout. What's going on, new people on the stream? What's up? What's up? I see that there's a bunch of people here watching. Feel free to comment, say what's going on. Yo, this is going to dump, not go up, bro. Just wait. All right. I think we're going to pull back first. I mean, we'll see. Are you short right now, Luge? Are you short here? Yeah. So I usually have my orders in beforehand. So I don't know if they're going to consider that DCA because my orders are in before I actually do anything. I'm short 2 micros. Okay. I was hoping to get the dip. I had one mini long. I literally just sold it out at like 36. Actually, I sold it out at 34.75. Just came back from eating. No, toxic. Not even close. Not even close. I just let it ride. I'm so freaking. I was just annoyed at everything at that point. Good luck today. Yo, what up, Lee? What's going on? Lunchtime crowd. Lunchtime guys. I will say if you're long, that's definitely not what you want to see, is kind of like breaking out and then coming back. But I want to see this dip. I want like a 15-point drop here. Come on. They just keep holding it up. Every time you think it's going to drop, they just hold it. Just Mario's just chopping around. Yeah. It's lunchtime. Lunchtime is not great. I came on early because I got to leave here probably around 1:30. I'm out. I put my stops close to cutting it off. Got to hang with the kids. Yeah, I feel you, man. Got to get that kid time in. Take it easy. I took my kids. I dropped one off today. Another one's about to head out. I would like to just see a pullback. Not much. Finished work. Hoping to pick up some tips on here. Yeah, man. Just we talked about. Actually, what's crazy is I was shorting it here, and when we got this big red candle, there was no continuation. And when you see no continuation, and then they flip it back green, that was the spot to go long. We were talking about that on the stream. You want to see continuation. Like, these are continuation candles to the upside. That's real buying coming in. Every time we get a push down, they just buy it right back up, which leads me to believe we're just going to keep kind of going up at this point. Kind of just keep it going up until Oh, I didn't even realize I was still in this. Awesome. I'm trying to work this account. Trying to get this Top Step and Take Profit Trader up. Lee, the best thing I could say is wait till you get your setups, even if you trade. So if I'm not on the stream, I take very little trades. I try to take more because I know you guys want to see action. So I'll start playing stupid stuff sometimes. But at the end of the day, like I don't take that many trades. This thing just doesn't want to pull back. This thing's just not coming back. You know, but it's just like a slow grind. Like we're not really getting the push. It's not really my type of environment to trade in. Like I want to see a move one way or another, you know, come back, hit the 34, bounce, like hit VWAP, bounce, just kind of grinding.
Daddy, we're going to the park for lunch.
Come on. I just want a little pullback. I definitely have a buy. Like right now, I feel like the market is definitely going to go up. I just don't want to enter here. I want to enter, you know, 27, 16, somewhere around there. Like I might leave a trade and go when I head out later on. Man, what's crazy is we were in it at down here. I would have just held through this shit. We'd be up massive. But nope, we did not. We definitely did not. Oh man, slow days just kind of get at me. I don't know about you guys, but I want that action. I want that action. I thought we'd get a lot more with the jobs report this morning, but didn't really happen. Oh, frig. Maybe I'll trade. Anybody trade anything else? What's some of these other ones look like? I think this is Bitcoin. Oh, baby. Gasoline. I'm not trading gasoline. What else we got? I don't know what. Oh, this is Bitcoin. That's actually a really nice chart for Bitcoin. Bitcoin breaks. By the way, I like the Bitcoin chart on. I think Bitcoin is going to rip tomorrow and over the weekend. I don't know if you guys play Bitcoin or what the deal is, but Bitcoin looks like it wants to get going. I'm just playing with this other stuff. I'm going back to the NQ. But yeah, Bitcoin looks like it's ready. This thing looks like there's no pullback in sight. Whew. Just making new highs, new highs, new highs, new highs. Look at that. Jeez. This literally has just been trending up since that dump. Anybody still holding from the bottom? It just keeps grinding. Still holding one contract? Oh my God. Dude, if you would have bought one mini, you'd be up $1,200, Andy. Need that slow grind song to play when the market does this. Dude, I looked into playing music on the stream, but it's like a whole copyright thing. I definitely would love to play music because it could definitely get boring. You know, like look at what we're doing. Like it's just kind of grinding. So I'm kind of getting like, ugh. Hey, whatever works for you, Andy. Don't change because anyone says it. Finally, here we go. My record day with micros. You made $3,000 playing one micro. Like one micro all day, and you made $3,000. I feel like that's like a record. Would it just trend up? No, I add sometimes, but this was moving so slow. Yeah. One to three micros. Yeah. I tried playing micros and letting it just ride for the day or ride for a bit. I like the idea of doing it. I just don't do it, if that makes any sense. You just shorted 5 minis on an eval. Oh, so you're up a bunch. Come on, drop this thing. Just get it in this little pocket area. What are we doing? I have 11 PAs and only I've blown one so far. Jeez. My first one and only did minis on it. Hey, if that's what works for you, stick with it, man. That's all I got to say. Reload. That was pretty good. That was a good $60 flip. They missed filling a bunch of other of my accounts. Come on, come back down. Oh, you're not going to fill the rest? Oh, I can't believe that just happened. I have so many different orders in. Look at that. You're telling me you didn't fill me? It's 200 bucks right there. So stupid. Literally, it was right there. Oh, I would have got filled in literally. Are you kidding me? That would have made my day. I would have been filled. I had a bunch of accounts freaking there. That was in there. You kidding? I completely just got hosed there. Hosed. Oh, jeez. Just did me dirty. I got dirty. Dirty. Frigate. Yo, what up, Kid Poker? What's up? What's up? I just literally missed the very bottom. And now we've just bounced, I don't know, 20 points. Yo, you guys just reminded me. Oh, man, I got to, what time do I got to leave here at? 2? Hold on, I got to go. First day with the new 150. Ah, nice. Nice. I'll be right back. Hold on one second. Oh, I'm back. I'm back. Dude, I wish I was up 340. I tell everybody, why do you get the 250s? Andy, I would get a 50. I passed the 250 today, but my pass rate on the 250, I did some reverse trades, I call them. Oh, okay. Then you know. I'm in the same boat as you. I passed the 50s. I hate the bigger ones. $25s are easy to get payout. The easiest to get payouts, especially if you're playing small. Two micros, I do one DCA higher. You can definitely, I think you can DCA at higher amounts. They don't want you to DCA at lower ones. Uh-oh. Oh, this is like the worst for me right now. Where we are right now is not where I want to be. Yes, if you are red, Apex only allows one DCA. Yeah. It's ridiculous. It's like, yo, just let me trade. Let me make my money. Send me my wire when I get paid, and that's it. I think this is probably just going to continue up here. That was a good scalp. That was good. That helped me out a little bit. Count's kind of taking a beating. Yeah. It's crazy. There's just not a lot of, there was action earlier, and then we just kind of grinded. Just kind of grinding around, grinding around. You know, I want to see a good sized dip. What am I trading? This is a PA account. This is a funded account. The only eval I have currently is this, and I got it over. It's a 250, and I got it over today. This eval got smoked, and this was me being frustrated today, and I told everybody I was just going to buy an eval, and go one way, and I went the wrong way, obviously. That's how my day went. I actually have to remove, I got trades in. I just want to take trades out. I'm going to leave, when I leave later on, I want to see a dump. Yo, what up? What's the plan? Freaking make money. Make money. I mean, looking at this, I feel like we're going to roll over, kind of hit the 200, and then we're going to keep going up. I would love to come back down to not 200. I was taking 20, the 200 moving average. I'd love to hit come back to 20,000. If we came back to 20,000, I gotta leave here in about 45 minutes. I'm gonna put an order right above this pivot point for a bounce. And if I get filled, I get filled. And if I don't, I don't. That's where I'm at. If we can come down to the 200 right here. See, so this is looking head. This is a head and shoulders, honestly. You got the shoulder, you got the head, you got the shoulder. We'll see what happens. I'll probably be wrong. I hate playing patterns. I'm not a pattern guy. My 25K PA is at 900 today. Is day 6. Oh, you're right there. Man, come on, come back down. Like give us an entry. You know what I'm saying? Don't be greedy. Don't be freaking greedy. This price action is not great. I like to see. I will say though, this does look head and shoulderish if we can get below, but I can also see it just consolidating here and then going a rip to the upside. That's why I'm kind of getting out of that. I got out of it with a little gain. This could be one big flag that we're making. I want to see the dip. Come on. Get us freaking get us an entry. Stop hogging it all for yourself. Come on. Here we go. Let's go. Give us the dip, baby. I don't know. What sucks is stochastics are going to be getting into oversold area, and we haven't really pushed down. Come on. Flip it. Here we go. Here we go. Is that it? That was it? Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it going. Come on. Bring it down, baby. Okay. Okay. That's a quick 130 right there. Make back some of that loss. We got 152. That was about $100. What was it? 105. You guys catch any of that? You guys grab any? Just wondering. I'm in it. I'm still in one contract in my Rhythmic Trader Pro account. Um, I got one contract with the shittiest fill in the world. I'm in at 20,036. I wanna see a Papadoo. Actually, I just took it off right here. I basically got 2 points. I got a shitty fill, and oh, I should have just held it. Oh no! Oh, that's in a funded account too. Jeez. Oh, I just missed out on like $130, $140 in that account. Ugh. Man, either way, if you guys followed, you're up money. And this is why I put my orders in. No, I just finished 3 evals, don't want to blow it. But I just want to make sure you guys saw me put my orders in prior, which gives you time if you're looking to follow. I'm not saying to follow. I'm just saying you could see what I'm doing. I loaded all my orders up. We basically caught the bottom, and I didn't hold. Passed one today. Revenge traded it, lost a PA. Oh no! Should have stopped when I was down 450. Reminder stop. Still up 470 on my other PA. It just started top step and up 250. Matter of fact, I just want to make sure. Okay. I didn't know if I was in on any of these accounts. That's solid, up 250. But that's the price. That's the type of price action I want. It's just what we just got. I mean, that was awesome. Just trying to work this account up. This is the 150 funded. We took a bad trade earlier, so I'm just trying to make back some of the loss. But this does look good to the upside. I don't know what we're going to get, but I'd love a real dip. I'd love a dip down to 21 or like even down to 20,000. Yeah, I've done revenge trading in the past. It's not great. Not really what you want to be doing. really trying to focus on risk management opposed to profit because all I do is blow accounts after being green for 5 days. Dude, I'm all about preserving capital, man. I'm the king of preserving capital. I'll put a stop and I'll get taken out. I don't care. I don't want to be. I'm not looking to stay in these trades, and you got to really focus on preserving capital. You're on PA 55, 56. Same here, man. I'm on PA 55. I'm on PA 57. Yeah, I got a bunch of payouts coming my way. Every account that I get paid out in ends up getting smoked within a week, which I find to be interesting. Oh, man. You just got to let it be, man. Like, I took a loss before on the stream. I played the bounce and lost like $200 in like a lot of accounts. And you just got to sit there and say, hey, man, it is what it is. Maritime's on PA 18. Dang, that's crazy, poker. Have you added up to see how much money you invested so far? Because emotions controlling me. 10 G's. Yo, I'll tell you what, though. He invested 10,000, but once he understands the system, you can get $10,000 from one of these accounts in a month. That I will say. I mean, from last pay to this pay, I'm probably going to pull out $8,000. I mean, so people can do it. It's another reason I wanted to do this stream is like you could watch if you're having a lot of trouble, you can kind of see what works for me, and then maybe you could take some of the same trades or not, but at least you could kind of see what happens. I feel like we're going to break up here. That or I'm just going to scalp it. I'm going to scalp it. Just trying to make back some of these losses. Yeah, this intuition of learning, man, for sure. As long as we learn from mistakes. Yeah, you're right. Mr. Lin, what's up? What's up? What's up? Today I took a loss like a good boy. And dude, I've taken losses, and then all of a sudden at the end of the day, I'm up. I tend to let losers run. Dude, you got to set a stop loss of like 10 points, 12 points. Because if you think it's going to bounce in an area and it goes 12 points past, your trade is broken. Just let it go. Let it go like Elsa, man. Frozen all day. Just not worth it. Oh, I just hit the button. Jeez, I hit a button. I'm long. That just happened. Should be, otherwise I'd be proud. Yeah. I mean, journaling trades is the way. Like if you sit there and figure out like, hey, why am I getting in this? It's a way to learn. That's the best way to learn. I blown so many PAs on one trade. That should never happen, Kid Poker. Like if you're blowing a PA on one trade, you got to reconsider what you're doing. You got to have stops in place. The most you should take on a 50K account loss is basically $300. I look at it like this: if you take a 250K a $250 loss, you have to lose 10 times for that account to be gone. And that's how I look at it when I take trades with like a 10-point stop, 12-point stop. You know, I just feel like, all right, I'm willing to lose $250 and that's it. Yeah, I mean, after 150, you just call it a day. I wonder if we're just gonna roll here. Yo, anybody else? Anytime you think you say it's gonna roll, think of that song "Big Timers." Everybody get their roll on. Everybody get your roll on. Get your roll on. PAs basically force you to scalp or trail your trades. Drawdown is too strict when trading futures unless you are well above your threshold. You are correct. You are definitely correct. Dude, just do whatever it takes to just take your mind off of it. I got stuff I handle during the day, just instead of just sitting here. Yeah. Gotta stay occupied. You know, I have 4 monitors basically. So I leave my trading stuff up on this one and I do other things. I do work stuff all day. Like you got to stay busy because if you're just staring at it, you're gonna want to do trading. You know, just being honest. You're gonna want if you're just staring at it all day, you're just gonna want to trade all day, just like a, you know. All right, here we go. We're gonna take a. We're gonna just take a freaking degen trade here. I kind of really like this on the. Oh, I'm trying to think how trying to think how I should go about this. Market's been soft lately, so I gotta wait for trades. Always gotta wait for trades. Always wait for trades. Um, My degen trade was long. I am so freaking. No, oh, what's up, Vexus? What's going on? You did not win you did not win. Who won the giveaway? Toxic Sage won the giveaway. That's who won the giveaway. Just hit the like button. Yo, hit the like button. Thank you. When's the next giveaway? Probably Friday next week. You need to be here Friday next week for account giveaway, without a doubt. It'll be a Friday thing because there's not much going on Friday. I feel like that's a. I feel like Friday is a good time to do it. Is this thing going to come down to here? Yeah, Friday. Yo, stay blue. Yo, it is straight chop. It is straight up the chop zone. Kind of sucks, to be honest with you. I'm not really feeling it. Let's see if we can get a quick little bounce here. I got a bunch of orders in. I have to move them. Man, I was originally short at the top too, which is crazy. I guess I'll just take a little scalpy McScalperson right there. Let's see. Oh, they didn't fill me my second one here. Oh, let's see what we got. Bruin. Come on, are they going to push this or what? Or is that it? On a PA account, how much profit do you have to hit to get a payout? On a 50K account, I got to hit $2,600 in Apex. I will say I do not like that they just dropped that like that. That is not what I want to see. Come on, pick this back up right now. Pick it up. PA 55. That's up money. I'm going to take that because it's up. I'm just trying to lock this in. Come on, baby. Just give me a little taste. Woo! I'm just trying to get my beak wet. Just trying to get my beak wet here. I'm taking that out. Yo, I'll be honest with you. It might be I got to head out golf in like 10 minutes. So I don't want to be stuck in any positions. I'm going to do a quick rundown of what I'm in just to, I'm going to put some trades. I'm going to leave some trades in. I'll do it right in front of you so you can see what I'm going to do. I'm just on my other screen real quick, just going through this shiznick. All right. So I am going to, this pivot point is at 94. 91 is the 200 on the 5. I'm going to put some orders in around here. I don't know actually what their rule is on take profit trader. Golf, yeah, I got to go do a work golf thing. Yeah, so I got to go do a work golf thing. So I am I run my own business outside of this. So I got to go meet some people. Where is that? I got to go see a guy about a dog. I got to go do a couple things. So I'm just trying to man, that's a nice bounce too. I'm just going to leave a couple in. Listen, we get filled, we get filled. We don't get filled, we don't get filled. I just want to say a couple things, guys, before anything. I appreciate everybody coming by today again. I always do. Bull Knox, 90% off accounts right now. I don't know if you're into Bull Knox, but they only have Rhythmic accounts. So if you trade using Rhythmic accounts, they're like $17 for a 50K account right now. That's a good deal. Take Profit Trader, coupon code Cove Trader is 40% off, no activation fee. And Top Step was supposed to be giving out free resets today to anybody that uses Top Step. I do not know how to get them. We clicked the code for the deal they were running on the 100Ks. If you clicked on the link in the video in my description, some people were able to get it to work after they clicked on the link. You're going to have to give that a shot. I know they're giving out free resets. That was the word. Thursday free resets. I do not have any email from them. Yeah, I don't have an email from them. You could still get it on Top Step TV. Trade with conviction. Okay. There you go. Is it the free reset? There, so you guys don't even have to go. Saving you guys all type of time. Only because people always ask me about this. I'm just putting all the stuff in the old chatteroo. Affiliate coupons. Here's 90% off Bullnox. Rhythmic accounts are 90% off. That's for Bullnox. And then, yeah. These are pretty much the only deals I know that are out there right now. And then you have the only other deal that I know that's out there is 80% off 150K, 250K, and 300K Apex accounts. And then it's a one-time $85 activation. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much, those are all the deals that I know for the accounts that I follow. You got basically, you got Apex in there, you got Top Step, you got Bullnox, and you got Take Profit Trader. Do not, whatever you do, guys, never pay the full amount without using a discount code. Just letting you know. Every single one of them has a discount code, and I don't want to see you lose your money. So always use a discount code. Yeah, always use a discount code, guys. So I left some orders down around 20,000 for a bounce. Are we going to hit there? I have no idea. I was kind of playing the pivot point, and I feel like by the time we come down and hit it, by the time we come down and hit it, I feel like the 200 will work its way up. Kind of looks like we're breaking this flag on the, I'm leaving this in too. F it. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I don't know if I can leave that in. I just thought about that. Top Step might not allow you to leave your stuff in. They might not auto close it. Well, woo! Today wasn't terrible. Today wasn't great, wasn't terrible, just kind of was what it was. I'm taking this and I'm leaving it. How's that sound? 50. Should I leave this? This is a breakout. This is a flag breakout. Apex Tradeovate put a ghost order in yesterday. End of the day, I was nervous I'd get an evaluation closed, but I guess they auto closed it. I've actually had that happen to me where an order just popped up out of nowhere. I'm not going to say that I always click that button. Yeah, man, I've had that. All of a sudden, I just got filled. It definitely has happened to me. Definitely has happened to me. All right, guys. Tomorrow I'll be back streaming. I want to thank everybody for coming by today. I gave you all the deals that are out there that I know about, plus the free resets that you can get. I will be back tomorrow, probably around 1:30, 2 o'clock. I usually get on around this time, but I had to leave early. So, yo, just stack that money. I hope this big flag here breaks to the upside. It'd be nice to come down one more time. I have my orders in. I have a couple orders in. If we go as low as 20,000, I don't know if we're going to do it. All right, guys. Thank you for everything. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Talk to you guys later.